Are you a content creator on YouTube? Do you use profanity in your videos? Well then, you need to pay attention to this. YouTube has recently updated its profanity policy and it's not treating all profanity equally anymore. There are new guidelines to follow and failure to comply with them can result in limited ads or no ads ratings. So, what are these new guidelines and why do you need to re-review your older videos? Let us dive in and find out. Firstly, YouTube is now categorizing profanity as moderate and strong. Words like be, doh, be, s, she fall under moderate profanity, while words like the F word is considered strong profanity. The usage of moderate profanity at any time in the video content is eligible for green icons, while strong profanity in the first 7 seconds or repeatedly throughout the majority of the video can lead to limited ads. Secondly, YouTube is now reviewing titles and thumbnails for profanity. Using any profanity, even something as mild as sh, in titles and thumbnails will receive a yellow icon. Moderate profanity in either the title or thumbnail will receive a limited ads rating, while strong profanity like the F word in the title or the thumbnail will receive a no ads rating. Lastly, YouTube has also clarified its guidance on how profanity in music is treated. Moderate or strong profanity used in background music, backing tracks or intro-outro music can earn ad revenue. As a content creator who uses profanity in your videos, you might feel frustrated by these new guidelines. But it is important to remember that YouTube's main goal is to provide a safe and advertiser-friendly environment for everyone. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your content is reaching a wider audience and earning you more revenue. And since older videos will show new ads based on the kinds of topics they touch on, YouTube wants to ensure that even the older videos are consistent with current policy. So YouTube will re-review older videos and make necessary changes to ads ratings. So take some time to review your older videos and make sure they comply with the new policy. It's a small effort that can lead to significant results in the long run. Let's make sure our content is compliant and reaching the right audience. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more information on YouTube's policies and updates.